Hey, this is Amity calling from Just Answer on the Range Rover.
Yes, how are you?
Tell me what's going on, my friend. Let me start by getting the vehicle information. This is a 2020 Land Rover Range Rover. What size engine do we have?
The Land Rover Discovery Sport.
Just see. Tell me what's going on.
I could hear a grinding sound on the left side of the vehicle. So I then checked. Then I realized it was a front left wheel bearing. So I ordered the part. Hello.
I'm here.
I ordered the part. Now I have the bearing. So I want to take off the hub and be able to press with the bearing. But then the problem that I'm just having is taking off the hub itself, because I had taken off the front disc and the brakes, and also I had taken off the stabilizing links. So now I'm failing. And this Discovery is like other cars that I thought it had nuts behind the hub that I can just loosen it and then pull it out, but it's not like that. So that's why I had to contact you guys and find out how can I remove it.
Well, this is going to be a press bearing. So
Yeah.
you're going to have to remove the whole assembly from the vehicle and then take it over to a press. And then
Okay.
you're going to have to press out the hub assembly. And then once the hub assembly has been pressed out, there's a C-clip that you can remove. And you remove the C-clip and then press out the rest of the bearing.
Okay. Then this is okay. The bearing part is not a problem, but do I take it off the vehicle? Because I can see it's connected to the lower control arm. It's connected to the shock and the CVXL as well. The CVXL I had already taken off the CVXL nut and I pressed it in. It's actually moving, it's pressing inside, but I'm failing to take it off from the lower control arm.
So, there's going to be nuts and bolts that are going to attach the tie rods and the tie rod and the ball joint to whole assembly. And then what you can just use it. We use an impact gun at the shop to just go ahead and remove the nuts and the bolts that hold it in place. It'll be the upper control arm, and then there's the lower control arm will be attached to this big bolt, and we just use an impact gun to remove it. And then we take it off the vehicle and bring it to a press.
Okay. Do I take it off the shock as well?
I don't think it's necessary to remove the shock. No.
Because you see, this hub is connected to the shock. Like the whole part of it is connected to the shock.
Well, okay. If it's connected and you can't remove that whole assembly, then without removing the shock, well, then yeah, you got to remove the shock.
Okay. You're saying that I take off like lower control arm, I can take it off?
Yeah, it's got to be separated from the whole spindle.
Okay, I understand what you're saying. So, yeah, I think that is the only thing that is holding me up here. So let me just take off the lower control arm. I think I'll be able to take it off. Then I'll take it for a press fit.
Okay. Sounds good, my friend. Any other questions while we're on the phone?
For now, nothing. But if any questions arise, I'm able to call you back.
Yeah, you can reply back to our conversation. Absolutely.
All right. Thank you so much, Ahmad.
You bet. You're welcome.
All right.
Bye-bye.